This is Obsuna. Obsession! Hi! Welcome to yet another episode of Obsuna Obsession Vlog, and for today we will be having a very special episode because we will be doing an unboxing, and at the same time right after that we will go straight away to trying it. So let's get started. Yes! Whew. Of course, this is an air fryer. We just got it just now. We just came home. Well, first off, if you are looking for a detailed review or thorough feedback of any air fryer, this vlog is not for you. You can skip it. I just wanted to show you and wanted to share with you whatever experience that I will be dealing, from unboxing to trying it later. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what the air fryer that I bought. Well, to tell you, if you are living here in Dubai, it's a very, how can I say, best buy. This is the best buy amongst all the air fryer available in the market. Why? Because this is digital, and most of the digital, and at the same time it's very cheap. I got it only for 279 from 379. Also, there are so many, what is that type? Analog type of, and in different brand. So before we purchased this, we got it from Carrefour. So before we got it from Carrefour, we went first to Lulu. Again, if you are living here in UAE, you would be able to relate what stores or departments that I was speaking about. You can find brands like Tefal, Philips, First. Okay, so those are available. I will be sharing it with you here. So these are the available air fryer. So let's get it on. We'll do it. Okay, so this is the real unboxing. Woohoo! And you know what's good thing about here is in Carrefour there is always a warranty. Okay, so when you purchase, let me just put it down. Okay, so when you purchase, I'm just going to put it down. Any appliances in the Carrefour, you will be getting a warranty. Okay, so first off, I got a manual. Okay. And a cookbook. Wow. And a cookbook. Alright. Oh, wow. See this? Okay. Well, if you're going to ask me what are the things or kind of food that we can, cook in this air fryer, those are deep fried food. That would be one. Second would be, you can also bake pizza. Oh my god, pizza. Homemade pizza. Okay. We'll go with this later on because we need to go. And now unboxing. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, let me put it down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, whew. And the rest, nothing. Okay. Checking with the details. Okay, this was to baking, frying. Okay, deep fried food. All okay. Fry, grill, roast, and bake. Included here. Fry, grill, roast, and bake. Okay? Healthier. Why healthier? Because of the fat consumption. Oil consumption. It's healthy cooking every day. Okay. Why healthy cooking every day? Because for a small amount of or a tablespoon amount of oil, you can actually make your cooking special. Let's do this again. Let's keep on doing this. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm just throwing everything down here, okay? Now, how is it? Well, in terms of its look, it's really looking so cozy. It's really looking so fashion. You know, I was the one who selected this one because of its digital digital feature. Well, if you're going to choose between analog or digital, it's actually the same in terms of their function, but then again, I am a little bit specific with what to choose in terms of appliances. So told my wife to get the digital one, okay? But digital, but still in a budget. So yeah, this is cool for 279. Well, this is the most nonsense kind of unboxing. I even don't know what to do next. Well, okay, it says here eject. So I will just return if I figure out how to do this. Okay, so welcome to to the air fryer. Okay,
a few moments later.
it's difficult. So I somehow scanned this manual, then I found out some of the features. This is where the touch panel is located. So this is where all the programs are to be located. And at the same time, I did figure out how to open this one, this container. You know how? I just remove the sellotape attached here. Hours. Okay, alright. I think I'm ready to go. Okay, so this is yeah. So whenever you are getting this one, what is that called exactly? Basket. This is the basket. So there is a button here which you need to press in order for you to get the basket. So see, the amount of food that you can cook in here is 1.7 kg. Okay, so this is more than enough for me and for my wife. Okay. So how to put it back again? Like that? No idea. And yes, I got a nuggets. We will be cooking a nuggets here, as in here. I got the oil. Alright, okay. Let's get it on. Plug it. Wow. Did you hear that? Then power button. I didn't see it. Again, did you see that? Again. Power button. Okay. But I don't know what is happening. Yeah. Shall I stop? I'll stop it. Okay, I think I need to use a program. Program. So a while ago, this sticker, because this is new, it was placed here, exactly on the control panel. Okay? So from the manual, this is the power button. So I was trying to press this manual button. I was trying to press everything here. I can hear some tick sound, but nothing is happening. So I was like for about 10 minutes, I was really trying to figure out where is that sound coming from. Until I finally figured out that I need to remove this. then only it will work. So the moment that I remove this, tanan. Yeah, so sad. Anyway, so this is my scoop installed. Now make sure that this is being warmed up. So for 180 degrees, you have to warm it up. And according to the manual, it's actually easy, really easy. And everywhere is hot surface because imagine the rapid air is coming in and coming out. I know. Yes, and now it's very hot. Really hot. So the first thing that you need to put is the oil. Okay. Put some more. Because as you can see, once you remove the basket, all the oil will go down there in the slider. So yeah. So that's one of the main reasons why this is considered healthy oatmeal. Well, of course, according to the manual, no need to put it on a maximum range. I think this one is really okay. So yeah, I just have to put it. Just really press it. Yeah. No. Yes. Put on. And set up the timer. Timer is for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And temperature should be 200 and start. What? I just see you after 15 minutes. Come, take a look.
A few inches later.
I think it's happening. I mean, after I read the manual and look at the recipe, I was finally figured out how to make this work, and I hope this is okay. Yeah. And right now, oh my god, it's okay. I'm anytime. I'm waiting for this to beep. I'm so excited. I got it. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Come on. Well, yeah, after 15 minutes, let's try it out. Tastes so good. And it is crispy. I think this is one of the promise of this product. All the friable food, the outer would be crispy. Ang sarap. It's really so nice. And if you're just going to remove this basket, you'll see, come here, you'll see all the drip oil here in the slider. So it's actually healthier. Yeah, so this is one of the promise of this product. Convenience and it's healthier. Plus it consumes only how much? What? 1.5. 1.5. See? If it is really cool to buy this, especially now that this is on sale on Carrefour, this is the best buy. Okay, for 279 with 100 dirham off, really cool. Okay, so cheers.